The universe is all of space and time and other content including planets, stars, galaxies and all other forms of matter and energy. The Big Bang theory is prevailing cosmological descriptions of the development of the universe. According to this theory, space and time emerged together a 13.8787 plus 0.020 billions of years ago, and the universe has been expanding ever since. While the spatial size of the entire universe is unknown, the cosmic inflation equation indicates that it must have a minimum diameters of 23 trillion light years, and it is possible to measure the size of the observable universe, which is approximately 93 billion light years in diameter. At the present day, the earliest cosmological models of universe were developed by ancient Greek and Indian philosophers and were geocentric, placing Earth at the center. Over the centuries, more precise astronomical observations led Nicholas Copernicus to develop the heliocentric model with the Sun at the center of the solar system. In developing the law of universal gravitation, Isaac Newton built upon Copernicus' work as well as Johannes Kepler's law of planetary motion and observation by Tycho Brahe. Further observational improvements led to the realization that the Sun is one of the hundreds of billions of stars in the Milky Way, which is one of a few hundred billion galaxies in the universe. Many of the stars in a galaxy have planets at the largest scale. Galaxies are distributed uniformly and the same in all directions, meaning that the universe has either an edge nor a center. At similar scale, galaxies are distributed in clusters and superclusters, which form immense filaments and voids in space, creating a vast foam-like structure. Discoveries in the early 20th century have suggested that the universe had a beginning and that space has been expanding since then at, at an increasing rate. According to the Big Bang theory, the energy and matter initially present have become less dense as the universe expanded after an initial accelerated expansion called the inflationary approach at the around 10.32 seconds, and the separations of the four known fundamental forces. The universe gradually cooled and continued to expand, following the first subatomic particles and simple atoms to form dark matter gradually gathered, forming a foam-like structure of filaments and voids to the valence of gravity. Giant clouds of hydrogen and helium were gradually drawn to the places with dark matter are most dense.